Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2017 Iveco Daily, stock number 6907. It's ramped on the 1st 2015 and the 1st 2021. Here's an F1C 3 litre turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic transmission. This is F1C 3 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Rear doors have 2 dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door 3 dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front headlight. Right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,